Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content, subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a little side benefit from running a branded campaign inside of Google Ads. And there are a lot of arguments over whether branded should be run in various accounts for various reasons. And this is just one more benefit that you should be aware of with branded when you're considering whether or not to run it. And this benefit is pretty simple, but it gets by a lot of people. And that is because Google utilizes account level conversions to optimize across your campaigns. Branded conversions count towards that. And so to kind of express it another way, the conversions you get on branded, which are typically at a pretty low CPA, will communicate information about those users across the account, so it can actually improve the targeting in your other search campaigns, right? So for an account that's already driving a lot of conversions, that benefit may be small. But if you have an account like the one I'm looking at, where there's only 9 conversions in the past month, and you'll get into this when you have like a high value behind a lead, right? And you don't have a big budget. So your conversion quantity may be low, but those conversions you get may be worth a lot. So it's challenging to optimize the topical search campaign because you just don't have a lot of conversion data. Likewise, the bidding strategy, if it's automated, is a little bit starved for conversion data. This campaign is actually, or this account rather, is one we've been ramping up for about 6 weeks. So it is just starting to get its footing. We are seeing more volume come through. But running the branded campaign here, where you've got, a third of your total conversions from that at a very low CPA compared to the other campaign, it's a bonus because it's actually informing the other campaign what good users or relevant users look like. So again, it's something that not a lot of people kind of realize or think about, but it's a way to use branded at a low cost to actually improve the overall performance of your account. So that is the quick tip for today. Hopefully you'll find this useful. If you're being a little bit challenged by a low volume of conversions, you may want to carve off a small amount of that budget to drive some extra conversions through branded, and you may see that it props up everything else. Okay, so that's it. I will see you next time.